Hi everyone, my name is Damian Hommel. I am the lone peer supporter in the College of Earth, Ocean, and Atmospheric Sciences. My highlights today are going to mainly focus on group efforts, starting with a CEOAS specific Canvas site, and then looking at a community of practice that was built around the idea of reimagining assessment. And finally, an aspirational faculty learning community that's college specific, looking at climate science and pedagogical challenges meant to run this summer. So my administration decided that the most useful means of putting effort into getting ready for remote teaching in spring and summer of 2020 was to work on a group Canvas site called the Remote Teaching Professional Learning Community. And the idea was not only would it help train faculty in understanding the uses of Canvas, but also serve as a resource that could be modular beyond just the technological and pedagogical challenges of remote teaching, but also could be a source of communication, of shared effort, of actually spinning different resources out in different contexts. And it's been tremendously useful in my one-on-one and small group work as a peer supporter. And the data shows that faculty have been using it in all kinds of different ways. In addition, with other peer supporters and help from Funmi Amobi and Lynn Riverstone, we put effort into an idea of reimagining assessment in this new remote learning landscape. The idea that if we consider assessment to not just be the testing and quizzing for grades, but also the formative parts, checking in and seeing if students are learning what we're trying to teach and so on, that we could build a core resource that would be revised and edited through effort of peer supporters and then shopped out in a variety of different contexts. And so here it is, a screenshot actually embedded in my CEOAS Canvas site for folks who are thinking about maybe running exams differently, different options, different ways of even testing students. And this has also been tremendously helpful in my effort as a peer supporter, not just with my own college, but also in efforts across colleges and across the university. And then finally, as a prototype or pilot, we're focusing on a Center for Teaching and Learning sponsored and facilitated faculty learning community, in this case, CEOAS specific, focused on faculty who teach climate science and who have specific challenges related to some form of teaching. And this is going to run over the summer, and it's going to provide an opportunity for faculty to be part of a college-specific community looking at these problems. So collaborative, but also focusing on a unique and individual challenge. We don't have a lot of data on impact on student learning yet, but I can say anecdotally that this has been a tremendously important program for faculty development. And I'll just say that one tenured professor after 14 years expressed that they're enjoying teaching for the first time. So I think this has been a profoundly important effort, and I hope it continues. Thanks.